Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I recently just uploaded a how to get a at-home blowout using the DYSON. So I wanted to share with you guys some leave-in products that I love for my hair type because I do have super thin and like fine hair. So I have to be very careful and picky with what type of products I use because certain leave-in products will weigh my hair down and make my hair flat and I won't be able to really style it. So I have gotten it down to like 5 products that I love. So I wanted to share them with you guys. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's jump into the video. So no matter what the occasion is, I am always putting in a leave-in product in my hair, whether it's for anti-frizz, color protectant, heat protectant, detangling, repair mask, whatever it is, I'm always putting something in my hair. So I want to start with like leave-in conditioners. So the first one I'm briefly going to talk about because I just spoke about it in my at-home blowout video. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. Now, this one I would recommend to anybody that's using heat on their hair consistently, like a hair dryer, a wand, a straightener, anything like that. I would recommend this one to you for sure because back when I was only using like hair dryers and wands and straighteners on my hair before I was using the DYSON, I used to get really bad split ends, and I used this a few years ago when that was happening, and this really helped like strengthen my hair and really helped keep my split ends like kind of flat, and I didn't really have as much breakage when I would use this. I don't think this is a heat protectant. No, I don't believe that it is. It's literally just like a strength and leave-in mask, so it's going to give you that moisture and that like nice silky hair, you know what I'm saying? And it's going to just kind of keep your hair healthy even though you are like using heat on it. So that sounds kind of contradicting. It's not a heat mask, but it's going to protect you from the heat. In my opinion, it really helped keep my hair like at bay from splitting and breaking and all of that weird stuff when I would use this. And I even still use this now, like you saw in that other video. I use it all the time. I just love it because my hair is really, really fragile. I have like a hair stuck to my eyelash right now. My hair is really, really fragile, so I have to make sure that I am like moisturizing it and keeping it moisturized so that it doesn't break. So I love that. That's super lightweight, doesn't weigh my hair down. Perfect. The next one is another longtime favorite of mine. This is from Drybar. This is their Prep Rally Prep and Prime. Oh, Prime and Prep Detangler. This is the one that comes in the pink bottle. As you can see, I am like almost out of it. This one is a heat protectant. So this one is like a leave-in conditioner also with the heat protectant, and I love this one. I also love how it smells. It has kind of like, I don't know, like a weird, you know what it smells like to me? Men's aftershave. That's what this smells like. It smells like a mix of like men's aftershave with like conditioner. I don't know. It's like a weird scent to explain, but I really, really love this. This makes my hair so smooth. So when I wasn't actually using the Briogeo one, I was using this one and I was in love with it. It kind of does the same thing that the Briogeo one does, where it like kind of makes my split ends like not be noticeable, kind of just like flattens them out and makes my hair look super moisturized. And this one does give heat protection, so I was using this a lot, especially when I was using the Drybar wand, because that one gets super hot and I feel like it was really just like damaging like the ends of my hair. So that's why I purchased this. It gives you the heat protectant, the leave-in conditioner effect, and it's also not going to weigh your hair down, which I love. So if you need all 3 of them, I would recommend this one because this is so good, and it's around the same price range as the Briogeo. I just like the Briogeo a little bit more because I just feel like it gives me like, it's like a mask, so it gives me like that extra like moisture that I need. But I do love this one as well. So this next one is more of like a newer purchase to me. I have been using it on and off. This is from Drunk Elephant. This is from their new hair care line. This is the Wild Marula Tangle Spray Detangle and Heat Protectant. I really like this one too. This is up there with the Briogeo one with me. I just feel like whenever I use this, my hair is so soft, but for whatever reason, when I use this one, it holds a curl a little bit better. So when I use this one, I feel like when I'm drying it, my curls do look a little bit more bouncier. I don't know what it is in this, but I do really like this. I feel like with this one, it's super easy to go overboard with because you're just like, it's such a fun spray. I'm going to show you. So it's just like one of those, like, I feel like it's like a makeup setting spray when I spray it. So I'm just like, I go crazy with it. This does not weigh my hair down. It does give me that nice, smooth looking hair, so I really love it. The thing I do want to say though, when I use like these leave-in conditioner products, I focus it on from like mid hair to down. That's really where I focus it. You don't want to put it too much on like your scalp, because if you don't wash your hair every day, if you put too much leave-in product up here, it's like the same thing as conditioner. It will make your hair a lot greasier, a lot quicker. And me, since I have such thin hair, if I don't do one thing right, my hair is just like a complete grease mess, and I have to wash it because it just looks so dirty. My hair looks so dirty so easily, so I have to be very, very careful with how I place the leave-in products. And I know if I accidentally spray it on like the top of my head, I will be greasy in like a day and a half, so I have to be very, very careful. And I feel like for everybody, you should pretty much just focus it from here down, unless you have like super, super thick curly hair. Then maybe do it however you feel like you need to. But people like me with thinner, more fine hair, or even medium hair, because I do the same thing for my sister and she has thicker hair than me, I would focus it from here down. That's my best recommendation to you. But I do really, really like this. This is great. My hair is not knotty in the slightest. It's just so smooth and so pretty, and I really can see like the difference when I use this. So I do like to use this like every other wash. So for the most part, I do use the Briogeo because I do want that like leave-in mask type of effect with my hair. But like every other wash or every 2 washes, I will just throw this in there, and I really do love this too. It also does not weigh my hair down, which is great. This next product is from the drugstore. This is from SGX NYC. I get mine at Target. This is a 10-in-1 leave-in hair treatment. This was like $6, and I do really like this one. This one says, what does it say? It says a weightless repair, one and done, a serum. This 10-in-1 power treatment does it all. Repairs damage, strengthens, controls frizz, hydrates, adds shine, protects color fade, prevents split ends, stops breakage, softens, and detangles. And it does all of that. I haven't used it on my hair though since I got my highlights in, because I'm just so nervous. I really just only use one leave-in product for that. But before I got my hair done, I was loving this. I specifically bought it because I needed to kind of control the frizz that was happening like in my hair, and this did the job. I really liked it. For some reason my hair was just being like completely out of control, frizzy, and I was like, what is happening? It was just the humidity in New York. It was out of control at some point. So I purchased this, and once I put it in my hair, I had no issues with frizz. So I really only use this for frizz, not for anything else. But it does have a bunch of other benefits, and it's super affordable. It's like $6, so I would highly recommend this to anybody that's looking for like a leave-in product that's going to do more than just protect from heat and that type of stuff. Definitely check this one out because I really loved it. So, and the last product is another product that I did just speak about in my at-home blowout. This is from Living Proof. This is the Color Care Whipped Glaze. This boosts color vibrancy for blondes and highlights, and I really loved it. I really feel like it doesn't weigh my hair down, and it also really helps with keeping my hair looking like very blonde. So that's why I purchased it, because obviously I wanted something for blonde hair. And this also offers UV protection, which is great, especially if you're blonde, because the sun can be really damaging. It can like turn your color and stuff like that. So that's why I picked this up for the UV protection, and just so it kind of enhanced my blonde. I mix this with the Briogeo a lot of the time, and I will mix it with the Drunk Elephant as well, and I don't find that by mixing the two of them together that it weighs my hair down, which is great, because I feel like with certain products, if you mix them, it can weigh your hair down, especially for somebody like me that has like super thin, fine hair. So I really find that this pairs well with the Drunk Elephant and with the Briogeo. So if you are a blonde and you are looking for something to treat your color treated hair and to kind of protect you from the sun, check this out. I really have been enjoying it. I also, with this one, I do start it from the root because I do have most of the blonde like in like the front and up here, so I will just kind of work it through my whole hair, and I don't find that it weighs my hair down or makes my hair greasy at all. Guys, those are my top 5 hair care leave-in treatments, leave-in conditioners, leave-in whatever you want to call it, heat protectants, color protectants, all that fun stuff. They all are pretty much going to do the exact same thing for the most part. Each of them do have a little bit different things, so I did want to kind of give you guys variety in case you guys didn't want to purchase one but you wanted to try something else, or whatever the case is. I wanted to give you guys options. These 5 products I have been using on and off for like a few years now, except for the Drunk Elephant, the SGX, and then the Living Proof. So only 2 of these products, which would be the Drybar and the Briogeo I have been using on and off, but like I said before, I do kind of go in between all 5 of them all the time. The one that I do use consistently now is the Living Proof one, obviously because of my blonde hair, so I do use this every single time I wash my hair. But as far as like leave-in conditioners and other stuff like that, I do alternate between the other 4. So yeah, these 5 products do not weigh my hair down. They don't do anything weird with my hair. They don't make my hair greasy, anything like that. And I do find that when I use them, my hair looks great and vibrant and just like bouncy and all those things that I need, especially since I have super thin and fine hair. So yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know down below what products you guys use as leave-in products, if you guys have tried any of these, or what you guys use if you guys have thin, fine hair like me. Let me know down below, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!